Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install CodeBlock's IDE. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open your browser and search for CodeBlock's download. Click on the official website. Now go to the downloads section and look for the binary release version. Make sure to download the one that comes with MinGW. This includes a compiler, so you don't have to install it separately. Once the download is done, open the setup file. Just keep clicking next, accept the terms and install it. No need to change anything. Well, I need to change my path, but you don't need to. So now wait for it to finish installing. And that's it.